You want tires that look like they eat gravel for breakfast, but won't scream at you during your morning commute. Here's the thing most people get wrong about all-terrain tires. They see aggressive tread and automatically assume loud, bumpy, and uncomfortable on the highway. But that's not how it works anymore. The tire game has evolved. And today, I'm breaking down 5 all-terrain tires that look absolutely mean, but ride surprisingly quiet on pavement. We're counting down from number 5 to number 1. And number 3 on this list? Honestly, it might change the way you think about all-terrain tires forever. Let's get into it. Number 5, Lexani LXHT-206 all-terrain tire. Fine. Now, Lexani isn't the first name most people think of when it comes to all-terrain tires. And honestly, that's part of what makes this one interesting. This is a highway all-season tire with a surprisingly aggressive stance for its category. Here's what they got right. The rigid center rib gives you dead-straight highway stability. You're not fighting the wheel. You're not dealing with that wander that cheaper tires love to give you. It tracks like it's on rails. Then you've got the circumferential grooves, 4 of them, that channel water out fast. We're talking real hydroplaning resistance, not just marketing talk. And the computer-tuned tread pattern, that's where the quiet comes from. Lexani specifically engineered this thing to reduce road noise, and it shows. The all-season compound resists uneven wear, so you're not replacing these things in 8 months. You're looking at a 40,000 to 55,000 mile warranty depending on the size. And at a price range of roughly $80 to $185 per tire, the value here is hard to argue with. Is it the most aggressive-looking tire on this list? No. But it's the one your wallet will thank you for, and your passengers won't complain about road noise on a 3-hour road trip. Solid entry-level pick for anyone who wants that all-terrain look without the all-terrain headache. Number 4, Mastertrack Badlands 620AB all-terrain tire. This tire has a genuinely aggressive tread pattern, high void ratio, deep grooves, shoulder cleats. When this thing is on your truck, people notice. It looks like it belongs on a trail rig, but here's the catch. It doesn't act like one on the highway. Mastertrack designed this with optimized groove geometry that self-cleans. Mud, rocks, debris, it all evacuates. That same design also channels water efficiently, giving you real-world wet traction without turning your daily driver into a noise machine. The durability story here is impressive too. Cut-resistant compounds, stair-step grooves on the sidewall. This tire is built to take hits from rocks and curbs and keep going. And it comes backed by a 50,000 mile tread wear warranty, which for a tire in this price range is genuinely excellent. Speaking of price, this is a budget tire that absolutely punches above its weight class. Multiple real-world reviews say the same thing. You'd expect this tire to cost more than it does. It handles dirt roads, gravel, light mud, and then transitions back to the highway without making you crank the volume on your stereo to compensate. Now, it doesn't carry the 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, so if you're in heavy snow country, keep that in mind. But for 3-season use with occasional off-road adventure, this is a sleeper pick that more people should know about. Number 3, BFGoodrich KO3 all-terrain tire. If the KO2 was the king of all-terrain tires for the last decade, and it was, then the KO3 is the king putting on a tailored suit. Same toughness, same off-road DNA, but refined in ways that actually matter for people who drive on pavement every single day. Let's talk about what BFGoodrich actually changed. First, the tread compound and pattern have been completely reworked. The KO3 wears more evenly and lasts longer than the KO2. They added mud-phobic bars on the shoulders. These physically prevent mud from packing into the tread, so you get better self-cleaning in the dirt and more consistent grip coming back onto the road. The full-depth 3D locking sipes, those give you biting edges for wet and snow traction that don't disappear as the tire wears down. They're engineered into the entire depth of the tread. That's a big deal. And then there's the core guard technology they carried over. Split-resistant and bruise-resistant sidewall rubber. This is the same tech that made the KO2 legendary for surviving rocky trails without blowing out. But here's the real story for this list. The KO3 is noticeably quieter on the highway than the KO2. That was a major focus during development. The redesigned tread footprint specifically targets noise reduction and vibration dampening. Number 2. TRAVELSTAR EcoPath AT All-Terrain Tire. This one flies under the radar, and I think that's a mistake, because for the money, this tire delivers a lot of tire. The tread design is aggressive. Wide grooves, open shoulders, the kind of look that says, I do off-road things on the weekend. But underneath that aesthetic, there's real engineering happening. The step-down tread, blocks with 3D siping give you block stability during cornering, while also helping with water evacuation. That means confident handling in the rain without losing the aggressive visual appeal. The reinforced casing and rubber compound are built to resist punctures. You're running over rocks, broken road surfaces, construction zones, and the tire takes it. This isn't a tire that's going to give you anxiety on rough back roads. What surprised me most about the EcoPath AT is the highway manners. For an all-terrain tire in this price class, it is remarkably smooth and quiet. Users consistently report that you can carry a conversation at highway speed without raising your voice. That's a big win for a tire that looks this aggressive. It comes with a 50,000-mile limited manufacturer treadwear warranty. And the price? This is firmly in the value category. You're getting brand-name all-terrain performance at a price point that makes premium tires look overpriced. One thing to watch, wet braking has been flagged in some professional tests as slightly behind the top tier. It's not dangerous, it's just not segment leading. For most drivers in normal conditions, you won't notice. But it's worth mentioning for full transparency. Number 1. TROPOW 26x9-12 all-terrain tire. Now before you say, wait, that's an ATV tire. Yes, it is. And that's exactly why it's here. Because this list isn't just about trucks. If you're running a UTV, an ATV, a side-by-side, you deserve quiet, capable tires too. And the TROPOW delivers exactly that. This is a 6-ply tubeless tire with an aggressive tread pattern designed to handle mud, sand, rocky trails, and general trail riding. The 6-ply nylon construction hits a sweet spot between puncture resistance and ride comfort. You're not bolting on a rock-hard tire that beats you up on every bump. The tread design focuses on enhanced shoulder traction, which matters more than people think. When you're carving a turn on a loose trail, that outer edge is doing all the work. TROPOW engineered this tire specifically for that moment, when grip at the shoulder line is the difference between a clean turn and a messy one. It's tubeless, which means easier maintenance and lower risk of pinch flats on the trail. The cut-resistant compound handles rocks and debris without falling apart. And on hard pack or gravel roads, the kind you cruise back to camp on, this tire is genuinely quiet for its category. You're not hearing that aggressive drone that cheaper ATV tires love to produce. For recreational riders who want a reliable, aggressive-looking tire that won't destroy their wallet or their eardrums, this is the pick. It's budget-friendly, it's functional, and it looks great doing it. So there you have it, 5 all-terrain tires that prove you don't have to choose between looking tough and riding quiet. From budget picks like the Lexani and Mastertrack to the gold standard BFGoodrich KO3 to the surprisingly refined TRAVELSTAR and the trail-ready TROPOW. There's something here for every setup and every budget. If this helped you make a decision, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want more Real Talk tire and truck content. And drop a comment. Which tire on this list are you running? Or which one caught your eye? I'll see you in the next one.